guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Democratic U.S. Senate candidate John Fetterman on Sunday spoke to a lay concerned about his health after suffering a near-fatal stroke early this year at a company really focused on abortion right in suburban Philippines. Speaking at times in a halting and cleaved fashion, Fetterman took aim at the Republican opponent in Pennsylvania, Senator French. Unfortunately, he said, I have a doctor in my life doing that. He spoke for about 10 minutes before moving slowly off the stage. He walked into the crowd, shaking hands, greeting people and smiling for selfies as he and this is Lieutenant Governor has largely kept off the campaign, tried signs a stroke and made it the said almost killed him, as it has seized on the issue suggesting Waterman's healthy word prevent him from crying out his deadly if elected. Also, Waterman leading us in a race that will help determine whether President Joe Biden, the Democrat, hold in onto their reserve than margin in the U.S. Senate. The race for the seat held by returning Republican Pat Toomey is important enough that both Biden and former President Donald Trump have tried to the state in recent weeks to promote their party candidate, speaking on condition of an anonymity in the past 2 weeks, expressed worry about Fetterman's health and whether Republican attack were showing voters. It's important for people to see John Fetterman out on the campaign trail and to see for themselves that he is alright in a state where 1 percentage point can it matters, said Joe Foster. Futterman held his first public even after his stroke in August and has made a handful of company opportunities signs, including at the Labrador Party box. His campaign class caption due to hearing damage he has said the symptoms are temporary. Futterman's campaign spokesman Julie Filey said he is up to the job. John market for over the hours in the rain in Petersburg's Labrador Parade and spoke out to others even afterward. Coverage to returns on Friday. Anyone who's seen John speak now that while he's still recovering, he's more capable of fighter for PA than Dr. Ozzy will ever be. Abortion right advocacy group Planet Parenthood in Philadelphia, largest suburban country as a seeks to fire off women voters concerned about the U.S. Supreme Court's decision in June to end the nationwide rights to abortion. Women are the reason we can win, Fetterman said. The stakes are high in Pennsylvania, where the governors will will decide whether women will maintain their access to abortions. Fetterman has vowed to help protect the access while Ozzy says he is 100% pro-life, but supports expectation in cases of cap or insert or if the life of the mother is at risk. Pre-stroke John Fetterman, but people need to see that he is capable, Beric said. Okay, I think that's for me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.